Well, 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 well. Hello, everyone. How about another round of Rust and Bevy and balloons and bombs and failures and small successes, maybe. Hope everyone is feeling all right. The week is treating you well. Let's go. Ba-boom. And yes, I have a fresh haircut. Thanks for noticing. Pretty cool. So, what are we going to do today? I figured that I have spent enough of time in this little project here, this little learning project, and I really need to get this done now to get to the more interesting stuff, which are all the crazy ideas that I have in my head for a more serious attempt to make a game, because ultimately that's what I really want to do. I do not just want to learn Rust and Bevy for shits and giggles, but I do have some ideas, and I'm really eager to try. And with this just being a stepping stone, I really need to take these steps now to an end. So I was going through the things that are still missing. Just checking. Yep. Going through the things that are still missing. There are 2 mechanics that are not there yet. I want the balloons have between 1 and 3 HP, and you have to click them as often as they have HP. Then there should be a heart, similar to the bomb, that is an additional entity, can spawn here and there, that gives back HP, so a player has possibility to survive a bit longer. And then, of course, the game over condition, once the HP runs out, there is a final score display, total runtime, and an option to restart or quit. Should be fairly doable if I'm able to focus on the things that matter. And now that I'm thinking about it, I guess something worth exploring as well. Sounds. Don't want to go too crazy. Yeah. Just so the balloons have a pop. Maybe they have a scratching sound when you just click them while they still have HP. Bomb should have an explosion effect. The heart. What sound does a heart make when it gets clicked? Iku, iku. I don't know yet. Let's see if we can find some assets, and ideally some sound assets pack that we just can grab a few things from that kind of make sense. And that would be the finishing touch, I guess. And then we can go on and then we can move on to the next one with all the things we have learned until here. What a ride. Something that I already thought about. It definitely took way more time to make this simple thing here in Bevy with Rust than it took with Godot. So I'm still a little bit back and forth if I want to stick to Bevy and Rust. Then again, one thing that I really like about the Rust and Bevy thing is everything is code. Everything is code. I really like that. I mean, Godot, you could argue, yes, it's also, everything is also kind of code, but there is some domain specific language in there that you cannot write because it has some internal references between entities that you cannot come up with. Anyway, something for later to fully discuss. But yeah, takes a long time. If you're new to this, if you're new to Bevy, new to Rust, takes way longer than spinning something simple up with Godot and a few tutorials. So yeah, might not be the path for everyone. Let's see. Focus. We want to focus a bit today. Let's start with the first one. The balloons have HP, and each HP is one click required to pop. So first things first is that we need to give the balloon HP. And I guess the way to do it is actually to just add this to the component, right? HP as a usize. And then whenever we spawn a balloon, spawn balloon. We even have a thread RNG. So we can do let balloon HP equal RNG gen range. 1, 2, 3. Are the types here inferred? So this should break, right? Yes, good. And then we'll say can we do, is this something? No. Great. Balloons have HP now. Does it do anything? No. It's never accessed, yeah. So now what we need is to, when we handle our balloon, process the clicked balloons. In here, we need to have a condition. Not sure why I went with that, but this is outside. No, this only, okay. Let's see. I mean, first of all, we need to have a condition, right? If do we do it? let balloon HP equal, oh no, E. Oh no, now we need the balloon. Haha. B, balloon dot HP. And if the balloon HP, what is happening if the balloon HP is larger 0, then we will go and reduce HP. If it else, I guess, we can go and say, we can go with the oh, wait. No, that's just removing the hit. Uh-oh. We will have an issue here. We will remove the hit always, because we don't need to process it further, only when we click it again. So this stays this. No, it does not. So when it is actually about to be despawned, then we want to reduce the timer. Okay. Now, every balloon now also needs text. So what we need from the, where do we take this from? I guess the menu. Let's take it from the menu. Great stuff, great stuff. We want to have a node. Children, vertical alignment of children. I guess we could go and say, let's first do a node. Oh. Yeah, I guess. Let's just go with it. Let's not think too much today. Let's just go with it. The width is a value of pixels, and it is 32.0. The height is a value of pixels, which is 32.0. Could probably be put somewhere else. Why? Yeah, of course, we will do that. We want to have the justify content. We want that, yes. Justify content center, and we want to have the align items to align items center, and the rest should be default. I should... can I? To prevent this from... but then I would need to do this everywhere. I like consistency, even though you might not think of it seeing this. I would really like this to just be ... default, which is possible, but somehow I always get this in my autocomplete. Isn't that sad? Well. And I just realized now we have the menu UI. Okay, and then flex direction doesn't matter at all. And then here we would add with children, with child. And we would have our parent. And then parent spawn. Is that correct? With child. Text. Yes, that is the one. Oh, no, it's different. Don't look at me like this. I know. Doesn't make sense. It's not nice. We want text new. Will that work even? Let's see. And then we'll have the balloon HP to string. This one. And then we have a text, our text font. We do not have our font initialized. Okay. We'll fix that in a second. Font size. Probably 16, something around that. And the rest is just default. This does not work. Yeah, we probably have a bit too many. Well, it's that, then this closes, and that's it. Oh, wait. No. Well. Best part. Best part. Love it. We're going into this. We open this. We want to have our string here. This is just open and close. Then we have the next one is the text font, which is opened, comma, comma, and closed. And then we have, you don't belong anywhere. You do. Then this is done. So this needs to go. And this needs to go. What do you mean? Font. Yeah. True. I guess I could at some point also load the assets separately to not always. That would be a great thing to do. But I'll take this as a learning for the next project. We will put asset loading into a completely different logic so that we can also have a loader for that, for the massive project that I'm thinking about. So let's really just stick to, yeah, like the last time. Let's accept the mess. Asset server load fonts. Oh wow. Default font. Well, at least I did that. Default font. Does this fix things? No. Something is very broken here. Oh. Is that not the right way to do it? Spawn, command spawn, and then choo-choo. It is the right way to do it. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is this. This is from the atlas. Same thing, we have that. I don't get why it starts like up here. That tells me that there's just some parentheses missing somewhere crucial. Is it this one? That's the if. And then we're out. Somewhere. All of this. Oh, semicolon is missing here. All right, all right. Jeez. Oh, I see. I can. something here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's good. I guess what we also have to do now is on the mouse events. No, it's on the escaped hit. We need not do this. Yeah. So here, all of this needs to stay. But this needs to go. Insert hit, and then what we want to do is, if we are ending up in actually exploding the balloon, then we want this to be undo. See, interesting. E. It's not on the. Oh, it's with commands. No. Or is it? No. Wait. What exactly am I getting here? Oh, we are getting the commands for the entity. Okay, let mode if no. Wait. Can do this up here. If let's mutable entity equal commands dot get entity ev dot. No, that's not it. E. And then we'll take away the. I don't like that. Come on. Yeah, no, we should. If, yeah, we should. That's not. I'll have to think about this for a while to make up my mind. In the end, everything goes down to this, and then this, and then. Otherwise, we'll just say nothing. Just do nothing. I don't understand why syntax highlighting is not always working. See that? Helix. Helix, what's going on? Why is that? We need these commands, otherwise we can just... I'm an idiot. I have... I'm an idiot. Oh my god. I can accept this. Like this, and then... insert commands dot entity. Yes, and exactly like this, we want with the bomb. Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see it. Oh no. No, it's absolutely correct. Why am I questioning everything? It's all good. All good. So this, however, then doesn't need to live here. It needs to live here. And then what we do, in this case, we always want to do it. So we remove this and this and this. Yes. The hit on the balloon we always want to remove after this has been processed. Should be okay. I don't know if that could create a race condition where this is only added for some reason after the active animation already ran. Duran. Let's see what happens. Uh-huh. I what? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Someone's ringing the doorbell. No, who is it? Welcome, Kirschik. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to this mess. Enjoy it while it doesn't hurt your eyes. So why does the node not spawn on the balloons, but as a completely different entity? Does this have something to do with Rapier? Oh, please no. It's interesting how it... Or would we do something like... Wait. No, it doesn't make sense. Does it? Do we need to move this? Here? I hope it doesn't have anything to do with the rapier thing, and we need to find a completely different way. What the hell? Escape. Click event was detected, but nothing happened. Oh, node is a non-UI entity hierarchy. You're using an entity with UI components as a child of an entity without UI components. Your UI layout may be broken. Well, might, maybe, yes. Okay, how do we do this then? How do we do this then? So it's not... Do we even need the node? Do we even need that? Can we just... Can we maybe just do this? Can we just add a text component? Oh, I'm messing up so many things now. forget all about this. Let's forget all of this. All of it. Let's forget all of it. Oh, and you were just a part of this. Okay. Got it. And then yes. Okay. Can we then just say, similarly to just adding a sprite? Text. New. Hi. What is the trick here? I guess I could go and look at the documents. Let's see. But I could also bang my head against the wall until I'm blind from all the blood running into my eyes. And then look at the docs. It is... I don't even... Everything is broken. Everything is broken. The bomb still works, kind of. Okay. Holy shit. What is happening? Let's remove this then. We'll have to find something out. We'll have to figure something out later. Let's first make sure that the general ideas are still working. Oh, and of course the balloons don't pop necessarily. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, that doesn't work at all. Immortal balloons. Why is that? Let's fix this first. So here we just get this. We are click event detected. Fine. Balloons escape. We don't care about this. That all works. That's cool. Entity insert hit. Adding hit component. Yeah. Let's do a debug here. Removing hit component. Yeah, and then yeah, something with the okay, adding, removing, that works. Now here, something here is not right. So, I mean, apparently we don't need that. Or maybe we do, I don't know. Why is that? I had this error so many times. God damn it. Why? Debug balloon alive with stays. Cue the Bee Gees. Stays alive with balloon HP. Let's see. We are going to print ourselves to victory. That's how I roll. Oh yeah. Print everything to the terminal. Balloon stays alive with 2. Okay, so oh, why? Is it not? Why not? Why not? I don't understand. Why did I ever begin with Rust? Why? I do get the correct value. I do end up in this thing. Why can I not write that back? Do I have to? I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Oh dear. Yeah. Yeah. What? So if I would, let's say, do something like b.hp, right? It's behind an end reference. That's better. No? So that doesn't work. Cannot be written. Variable does not need to be mutable. But it also cannot be written. Okay, folks. This is some Rust stuff here. I thought I understood that, but then yeah, apparently not. How can I not say this? I can. This iterator yields end references. Honestly, I'm just throwing shit at the wall now. Okay, I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Why? So we want something similar to this. Oh. No. But we assume that we're not we don't receive a single thing, right? So we want to iterate through them. That's why we went with the iter. Does that not work? Holy shit. Holy shit. Just realized. And this is pattern matching programming for you. Mut. Single mut. Is there also an intermut? Jeez. Okay. That should work then. Let's see. Let's see if we can. Yes. Now we're talking. Oh, this is way too hard. My game is way too hard. Oh boy. Yeah. So and then we want the balloon spawner to actually go from 1 to 4. Now let's. How do we add? What do you even call this? Graphical text? Text renderer? Text rendering outside of the UI. Bevy. Add text to entity. For setting up a UI text node. But this is not what we want, is it? Adding text to an entity will pull in required components for setting up a UI text node. Text from the hierarchy of the text spans that are all collected into a computed text block. See text span component used by children of entities with text. Node transform yada yada. World. Oops. Text to sprite. To a sprite component. Oh, that's quite a while ago. Text2d. Mm-hmm. I guess. So justification. Camera spawn text2d. That's it. that it? Excuse me? Is that it? Probably need to find a way to put it in front of the sprite though, depending on what takes precedence. Bjork energy. Welcome, Piffers. Don't know exactly what you mean by that, but yes. I guess so. Okay, so this looks terrible. Probably because they're on the same Z. What exactly is smörgåstårta? That's Swedish. I'm Norwegian. I'm in Norway. I'm not originally Norwegian, but sandwich cake. Ja. Ikke opprinnelig fra Norge, men jeg snakker norsk, så gå fint. Okay, I see that here we have ensure that the text is drawn on top of something. What kind of dark magic is that? So it says builder spawn and then it's text. That does make sense. Sprite, transform. Oh, we do a children thing. Okay. Nice, Biffers. Very nice. So we do put this as a children here. Although, to answer your question, wait. Well, I don't know what it smells of. It smells good. Smells good. Your business partner is split between Oslo and Bergen. So you picked up a little. Cool. I'm close to Bergen. Outside my window, it's the fjords. And a lot of snooze. Not so much hatred, though. But between the Oslo and Bergen people, yes. There is. Righty. Let's see. We will do this with children. And then they say something about yeah, just to create a small builder here. builder spawn. I guess it doesn't matter what we put there. Could also put the parent in there. We'll ignore this for now. Then we have this. And here we do our Text2d. And then our, oh, filters. That's sad. Shit time to go to work anyway. But yeah, hope to see you soon. Have a nice day. And thank you for the follow. Very nice. Good luck then, if everything is on fire. I guess you're working in IT then, or something. Let's see next time. I do not know why Vec3 Z. Oh yeah, never mind. Yeah, I'm just answered that myself. So now we are coming to this again. I guess this would be the one with the semicolon. Yes. And here we go. Things are on fire. That either means Pilfers is working in IT or actual firefighting. Both on-call IT and firefighting is only heroes everywhere. Not 0. God damn it. The check shouldn't check for HP 0, but 1. How do I remove a children? Oh, can I get just... remove like any Text2d? Does this work? No, does not. But in general, the general idea works. The general idea works. So now, just to brush things up, the first thing we want to do is to update the text. So I would imagine, I think I programmed something very terrible. My computer is like, what the hell are you doing? Bomb sheet. How do I access this children? Also, of course, we can do this. And we'll say text. Oh, text. What's the slightly smaller text for text font? Interesting. And there you don't care. Okay, text. No, that doesn't work. Oh, text font. Yeah. Stupid. Font is the one. No, is not the one. I have to clone the handle, which I heard is cheap. Or just clone the. What am I trying to say here? I don't even. And then we'll still need us the default piece. And then we need to make this a float. And yes, I do write my floats with .0, not just with dot. Everyone who just writes dot to make a point on this is .0 is a fucking maniac. That's my opinion. So there you go. Change Text2d. I just Googled change Text2d. Don't do it. Don't do it without adding Bevy to it. Don't. Interesting. So if I read that correctly, where were we? We were in the balloon. Click balloons. If I understand correctly, we need Text2d as a mutable reference. equals HP dot to string. What's in there? What's in there? Zero. I don't want to know. So now the text should be updating. We should have a proper font. That's incredible. Nothing works anymore. Okay. I'll investigate. And boom. Oh boy. Yeah. That's what you get. Oh, right. Yeah. I guess what we would do is, yeah, we would do the more reasonable thing, right? No. Okay, I guess we have to go to the dogs. Push string is this. As string. To a mutable string slice. Think something like this we want to have. Extend from within, capacity, reserve exact. Try reserve. Shrink to fit. Shrink to push. We don't want to push anything. Don't want to truncate. We don't want to pop. Pop. The only thing we want to pop. Are balloons. Insert. No. No. Clear. Drain. Replace range. Char boundary. I mean, it's so nice. At one point in my life, I want this to be part of my code. Let's name variables like this. This pointer, this mutable pointer, get just returns a subset. So I guess what we want to do bad boys. What we are going to do we do this as no. No. As mutstr and then right back to it. As mutstr. I don't know. Yeah. Like that. You like that? Why would that be any difference? Why would that be any different? Expected that. We cannot dereference. We don't want to we want to just to into. No. Cannot mutate. I do understand. That's good. As str. How do I get... Oh, come on. Just clone, copy, something. Clone. No. What? Also had this so many times. I don't want to convert this to a... use eyes. No. I think Rust could use a lot more in-depth string and char stuff. That's my opinion. Because I don't feel confused enough. Rust use size to str. No way. No way. To string as can you just fucking get it? Just get it. Where do I do this? So what's the logic here? What's the logic here, guys? Help. Help. Expected mutable reference, mute something, found reference. That's why I wanted to dereference it, but I cannot dereference it. Let HP equal b dot HP dot to string to as string. Is that better? Oh, but I... Doesn't change anything. Do I dereference here? No. Help! What's the thing? What's the thing here? Could I do something? Get... No. Okay, folks, I think it's time for my brain to take a quick break. We didn't hit any Rust specific kind of borrow reference things for so long that I just don't know what I'm looking at anymore. Expected mutable reference and found reference and. Expected mutable reference. Expected mutable reference. I don't understand. I don't understand. Okay, folks. Yeah, I'll have a quick break. About 5 minutes. And then we'll crack this. Meanwhile, you can have a look and be very active in chat. All right, see you in a few minutes. And I'm back. Hurrah! So, I was told to read the full error message. Well, let's do this then. No, that's not it. That's not it. But can I not? Why can I not dereference this? Cannot be known. Statically known size. What if we just do expected string found end string? Can I now dereference it? No. What am I doing? What's the full? Oh, no. Oh, I can do that. No way. Found string. Well, still not. Doesn't implement the copy trait. We're close. We're close. We're close. We're close. Remove this. No. How? No. No, none of this makes sense. What am I doing? Yeah, I was creating a reference. Yeah, I think I know what happened. But this doesn't work. Oh no. Crash. Come on. Doesn't crash. Doesn't crash. Why don't you crash? Why does it not do anything? Click event detected. Sends the event. Gets the hit. Then click event detected on entity, adding hit components, check for balloon escape there, okay. Where is the next? Here again, adding hit component, adding hit component. What the hell is going on? We are never hitting the balloon stays alive. Why did that change? We never enter this at all. this at all. Now we do. Just curious. Okay. Then it's something else. My computer fans just go up like crazy. Kind of works. Kind of works, but how do we update the text? That's not it. Okay, back to life. Back to reality. How do we properly query for these? Oh no. I told you, never look for just Text2d. Never do it. Oh no. So remove which can contain a single text segment. Index access to segments can be done with the new Text2d reader and Text2d writer system parameters. Okay. What? Get text. Text bandwidth in a text block at a specific index in the flattened span list. I do read the words. I do understand the individual words. I do not understand the combination of them. What about the Text2d writer? Update text. Text UI writer. Submit a reference to a text span within a text block at a specific index in the flattened span list. Yes. Mm-hmm. Interesting. We do have a migration thing here. Let's see if that has anything. Text2d writer. Or remove favor of text and text2d. Text color components, just text bundles, additional fields turned into text node flags, component text2d bundles, additional fields turned into text bounds and anchor components. Text sections were removed in favor of hierarchy-based approach. For root text entities with text or text2d child entities with text span will act as additional text sections. To still access text spans by index, use the new Text UI reader, Text2d reader, Text UI writer, and Text2d writer system parameters. On the other side of the fjord, there seems to be a pretty cool guy with a very, very powerful car, and he needs to rev the engines to show how cool he is. Yeah. And drive up and down. It's got to be a very peculiar type of person. This is a super quiet area, and this person just feels like, okay, let's be very loud because my car goes vroom. Listen to my car go vroom. It's also funny because it's not the most... Oh, well, it's a lot of accidents happen on that side. Good luck to this person. Don't be that person. But okay, I think what we need to do is exactly this kind of thing here, where we say something like, or we just add another system, and we'll call this update. The person is still going. It's incredible. I am... Damn. He must get all the love interests. Query, we basically, or yeah, text, no, Balloon. Balloons. Query. We'll do it exactly like this, right? With text2d to d and a mutable writer, text2d writer. That's cool. And then we'll say for e in, but for balloons, yeah. Don't shout at me. Consistency is. I lost that name long time ago. Dot iter. Wow. Yeah, and here we have the dereferencing writer. Oh, we need the balloon itself as well. Balloon, balloony for E and B. Now we got it. And this needs to be reference, and then we'll say dot text entity E. One. Is that how you do it? And then B HP. To string. And then we'll go to the and if it's 0, we remove it. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Why does it not work? We probably never end up in there again, because something still isn't right. Debug. Debug. Changing text of entity E. When did that happen? Yeah, we never get there. Okay, what the hell? We have to keep it in its own thing because otherwise there's a conflict, right? Here's a transform and here's a transform. So I cannot move this out of this. Bevy query for children. Is that the issue? No. Debug. Dating text for something. By the way, is everyone enjoying Kingdom Come Deliverance 2? I was planning to stream on Sunday, but I went to the couch first and started Kingdom Come Deliverance 2, and then I wasn't able to get up again. Pretty cool game. Yeah, this doesn't help us. How does this never... what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Do I do this with another component? Derive component struct HP text. And then I add that into our thing here. No, we do this up here, HP text. And then in our update balloon, we query for everything with HP text. We are not getting there. Why are we not? Is it? I don't get it. How does... I need balloon. I need to access the balloon and I need to access the entity. I need to access both. Query is just empty. Do I? No. I don't get it. Any of you guys getting this? What am I missing? How are we never getting in here? All of this is working. Click event detected on 2020 v2. Adding hit components to 2020 v2. Cool. But then it's running the animation, removing hit component. That's happening here. Current balloon spawn timer. That's this one. And this. We never get here. Is the iterator the wrong way to do this? Is this legal? Don't look. Don't look. No. You've seen nothing. Nobody has seen that. Maybe a piece of chocolate helps. Or two. If that's it, it's not. It's also the writer is the one that needs to be mutable. The rest we just get from the... Who understands this? What is wrong here? This seems to be empty. Zero. Why? What the fuck is going on? Why? The rest works, right? This... Okay. One step after another. Processing the clicked balloons. This is the query that we have, and that works. Does it not? Balloon stays alive with 3. Two would, yeah, okay, because this is first, so we would need to move the stone there. But that's the correct behavior. Balloon stays alive with this. Okay, so this works, right? We need to have this mutable because we are actually changing a value in the balloon. Good. Click event detected again. Adding the hit component. Then we are actually hitting this here. So all of this is removed. I'm not having this, but yeah. And then it's just running the animation and done. with hit. Hey Zoki, welcome. How do you like Rust? It tickles the right places for me in my brain. Although the learning curve is very steep, so it has its challenges, but I do like that. I do like that. And you have to know that I'm not a programmer. I am a technical person in real life, but not a programmer. And this is as close as I can get to actual programming. No, not straight. I wrote. So, what language am I coming from? I did do Python scripting in the past as a systems administrator. Used a lot of Python. But I wouldn't call myself a Python developer. I did some terrible things there. Because Python lets you. Rust doesn't let you do terrible things. I mean, you can still do things like this, which are kind of terrible probably, but yeah. I did a bit of C in the past, like for a year or so. I did this Harvard online course on computer science. What was it? CSX. That included C. That was good fun. But yeah. And you're working with JS, so you can relate to the Python. Terrible things that it lets you do. Yeah, it is quite a thing. But right now I'm fighting more with Bevy and the entity component system. I just cannot get my head around why I'm unable to find this query doesn't work. It's always 0. And I just don't understand. I just want to update the text on the balloons, right? When I click them multiple times. This should count down on them. That's why I'm querying for all the entities and balloons that do have an HP text, which I add. I add this here. I mean, yeah, with children, maybe that's the problem. Is that, I don't know. At this point, I don't know even. Let's not go there then. I do have an example here. I don't know if that would work better. Oh, wait. No. This should absolutely work. Although, if I If I move this here, I do crash. And I really need to remove this Text2d dependency because it doesn't make any fucking sense. Boom. Panicked. Non-value. As soon as it, in this case, it finds something. Oh, wait. Changing text of entity. Wait. I might have done a bit of a whoopsie. Don't say it. Don't say it. I was blindly following this migration guide, which sets the index to 1. Okay. Not really better. Good. Not ideal, but okay. We're still crashing. Why, though? So it correctly identifies the entity. So at the very least, we're coming to this now. So this is good. Although it should. In here, it spawns the main parent bundle. Blah, blah, blah. All good. Adds a children. With children. Parent spawns a children with its own bundle. And then it queries just like that. No, wait. Entire hierarchy, yes. Where accessing the parent or the children. Queue child. Query parent. Transform. Get. Contains the entity ID which can use the query components from the parents. Children. Say we are making a strategy game and we have units that are children of a squad. Say we need to make a system that works on each squad and it needs some information about the children. Child. My unit health. That is exactly the thing. Squad damage and children. Is that a global thing? It is. what damage and children for the parent iterator. And then it goes to the unit health. Fuck. This could be it. Wait. My game reminds you of Bubble Shooter game, Bubble Trouble or something. Yeah. Just to be clear, it's not a serious attempt. It's learning the ins and outs of this massive beast that is both Rust and Bevy, and this is the simplest scope that I could come up with. Pop balloons. Just to learn to not, think too much about the game in and of itself, but spend more time with trying to make this work from a technical perspective. So, yeah, it probably reminds you of something very simple that's already out there. But I do have plans. Once I have all of this reasonably well understood, I will make a more serious attempt with some incremental game, I think. But first we have to learn how to do things in a safe environment. We do then have a collection of entity IDs. So would we... Wait, so we do... It's entity IDs. Would we then... do something like this? Balloon parents... Sure thing, Zoki. Have a nice evening. Hope to see you soon. Children just entities? Let's see. Let's go back here. Let's see. Let's do this. Balloon parents query, and then we want the balloon and children. And then we want the balloon children query. And in this case, I'm so out of touch here. Query for the HP text. Let's see, for balloons, comma, children in balloon parents dot iter. I don't. Oh, yeah, of course. It is a tuple. Let's do it this way then. Redo it. Parent iterator. Parent iterator. Entities found with children. Okay. Then we go for balloon children. Parent iterator. Why don't you realize that you have it already? Hello. For child in balloon children, also an iterator. Yeah, we're getting into ugly territory. I know. Don't shout at me. We'll fight ourselves out of here. E. Is it though? Is the child? I don't think that works. I'm somewhat stuck again. Why are we getting stuck all the time? Every goddamn stream. We're just getting stuck somewhere. And then I have to retreat. Changing text of entity of child entity. Oh no. Child. Doesn't at all. Jesus Christ. Let's do let go balloon children. Oh. Children is the collection of the entity IDs. child in children. That's the children. Can we balloon get child? Doesn't implement anything. Doesn't even want to try. Where are we when we do this? Where are we? Sorry, folks. I'm currently I'm stuck in my brain. I'm completely stuck in my brain. Get this entity. Would we? This will never work. This will. It cannot. It cannot work. I'm no. Mm-mm. This has to crash. It works. It fucking works. What magic is this? It works. We fucking got it. This is ugly as hell, but it works. So I'm fine with that. I need to think about this for a while to really understand what is going on. But if this works for now, I'll take it. Seriously. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll absolutely take it. Let me try one more thing. Another very ugly thing. Oh, no. Would be cool if we could remove it. Let's quickly check that. If despawn an entity that has a parent, Barry does not remove it from the parent's children. Entity that has a parent, Barry does not remove it from the parent's children. You then query for that parent entity's children. You will get an invalid entity, and any attempt to manipulate it will lead to this error. Yes. Workaround is to remove children alongside despawn. Why would that? Child entity. Seriously. This is not what we want. No. No. interesting that we have the... It's terrible. It's so terrible. Why would you ever do it like this? But okay, I'll accept it for this. For this project, this is fine. I just want to hide the text. If balloon HP smaller 1, right. Where was the... God damn it. Where was it? Commands entity balloon remove children. Balloon remove. It doesn't work. Children. Child. I don't have commands. Let's see if we can finish this stream on a one to-do item done this time. Going a bit overtime. Not ideal. But if this works, it was worth it. Not sure if it really does work. Let's give it one more. Give it one more try here. Does work. It's not as fast as I would like it to be, though. And it also is a bit weird. We have it that way. quickly check the difference in behavior to see if I find this to be worth staying here. I mean, yeah, it kind of does what it's supposed to do. It's there for one frame. About one frame, right? If we wouldn't do that, it would just stay around for the whole animation, which is undesirable. I mean, yeah, you kind of have to look for it. Almost too weak. But I guess I'll leave that in. And yeah. With that, we managed to do one of 4 remaining tasks to finish this project. Pretty nice. Pretty damn nice, I would say. Yeah. That's cool. We're making good progress. Although I would have wished that this was not the full stream, just this one system. But also, yeah, kind of a reality check with thinking that I understood things while that's absolutely not the case. Which is fine. I'm fine with not understanding things. I'm just looking for here. This one. Let's make 10. No. 12. Yeah, just shows how much more there is to learn and really understand, and just pattern matching programming is fine until things get tricky. But as Thor always says, just keep on going. Do shitty things. Just do them. So yeah. Let's not play around anymore. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for being with me today. It's been a pleasure to try and arrow my way through this with you. I will probably be back on Thursday. Yeah. And then maybe we'll make 2 to-dos on that day. Anyway, hope you have a nice evening. See you soon.